let's give this fun new 2-page journaling fresh start kit from Sweet Kawaii Design a try in my Hobo Cousin. Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for hanging out. So I know I just did daily pages. I think, oh gosh, I can't even remember. I'm pretty sure I did daily pages just a bit ago, but I'm so excited about this 2-page journaling kit, and I'm going to use it in my cousin from Sweet Kawaii Design. I think it's so cute and it's perfect for the daily pages. I'm so excited. I'm really hoping she makes more because I'm really loving decorating my pages. I've gotten all the January pages done today, and you're going to decorate the last 2 days of January with me. And I really hope I can keep going in February because it's really fun. It's just fun for me to look back, you know, at all the different pages. It's just, I'm really enjoying it. So, you can see here's today. It's Monday. I haven't yet filled it in. I filled in yesterday's, although I haven't filled in what I read because I need to look at where I stopped yesterday. So, I will finish those later. But here we are here, and I'm not sure if you watched my previous video. If you know, this is a 2023 Hobonichi cousin, Avec. I think that's the one that separates it into two parts of the year. I got it when it was on clearance or sale or whatever. It's probably 50% off. So that's why these days are wrong. These are last year's dates. So you can see Sunday the 28th, and then today, Monday the 29th, and this will be Tuesday the 30th and Wednesday the 31st. So these 2 pages, I'm going to use this bottom washi down here at the bottom and fill this in. Okay, and it fits perfectly, which is awesome. So normally when I decorate these pages, I use my $2 Tuesday sheets. So for example, like this would be the $2 Tuesday sheets. And I just trim the washi and stuff like that. This one, I used the really fun kind of decorated day on one page stickers. Sorry, that was out of the camera there. That Tasia put together for the winter, but I kind of try to alter it and vary it so it looks different. But this is awesome because it fits the Hobo Cousin pages perfectly. And I'm pretty sure Tasia said that she designed these with the Hobo Cousin in mind, but obviously they would work for anything. And this is like an A5, I think, size, maybe. I could be totally wrong about that. But it fits really, really well. And then what's super fun too are these kind of long stickers here, but they're sort of short. Long but short, that makes sense, right? That I can put here, which will be really fun. Like that. And then I like that. And of course I turned it upside down because, I don't know, sometimes it just seems to make sense with my brain to turn things upside down. So I do. Which is funny because sometimes we don't, at least I don't always think like, oh, I can turn my paper around. And I often say that to my students, like, you know, for math, you can turn things this way. You can turn things this way. Your paper moves all over the place. If you have a vertical number line, like on a beaker, you can turn it this way, and now you have a horizontal number line. So there's lots of different ways. And I often do that with my planner. I turn things all around to make it easier for me to put it together. Okay, I got my days of the week sheets. So you can see I've used up a lot of these. I still have Tuesdays. And like on these past 2 pages, I also put the numbers, but I don't think I'm going to do that because I don't think I'm going to have room. I could, you know what I could do? I could put them on the candles. But I don't know. I think I'm fine with that because, you know, it's like I can look back and see the 28th and 29th. This is the 30th and then 31st. So I used up all the Wednesdays on there. So I'm going to have to go to this one. And this one is definitely going to go over the candles. So I'm going to have to see how I like that. If that's going to, you know, super bug me that it's, no, actually it doesn't really bother me that it's overlapping. Maybe because the color scheme is kind of the same. It doesn't really bother me. All right, so leave it like that, but I am not going to put the numbers on. And then I have these. This is one of my albums where I keep, you know, these pages here that I use to break up these cousin pages. So I'll take out one of each. We've got the, let's see, washi boxes, the sparkle boxes. These are all the day on one page boxes. The push pin box, and then this one. This is the cloud box. All right, so what I usually do for these, because I'm a creature of habit, which you know if you've watched some of my videos, I pretty much do these pages very similarly, where I put one of those boxes there, and I like to divide it up. I pretty much use this planner for memory keeping. I also record kind of my daily reading in it. And then I do have a reading planner, which I go back to kind of once a week and try to fill all of that in, but I kind of look back in here to see what I've read that day. Okay, and then, let's see, I got to remember what I've got going on here. So let's see, I think I will put one of these cloud boxes here underneath the candles. Uh-oh, that is gonna have it not lay flat. That caught somewhere, and thank goodness for repositionable vinyl. Okay, put that there, and then I don't think I went over far enough over here. That ripped a little bit. Let's see. I went, you know, this is a different, like I said, this is the, it's ripping. I'm not going to tear that up. Okay, so repositional vinyl, yes, but Hobonichi cousin paper, really thin. Sometimes it'll tear up, and then other times I think I pushed it down too hard. I'm not going to mess with it. Let's see, is this going to fit? It'll kind of overlap a little bit. Maybe I will hold off on that. Let's see, I've also got these half boxes and quarter boxes. I don't know how much I'll really use those. I don't usually use these in my daily pages, that size sticker, so I might keep them and hold on to them for another spread or something like that. I think I will put Simon in his bubble bath down here, maybe with some sparkles around him. Because you know what? Taking a bubble bath is sparkly. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of play around and decorate this page. Okay. I think it's done. That was so quick and easy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll do my highlights here. Oh, you know what? I do need to, I'll probably just handwrite in the word highlights. This will be for my reading, highlights here. And then I figured maybe reading here, I'd put the word like books here, and then the percentage I read, because I'm reading a lot of ebooks, and then the book that I'm reading or something like that. Oh my gosh, that was so fast and easy. I'm really excited. Anyway, let me add in the words and the writing, and then it will be all completed. Gosh, this was awesome. There we have it. Oh my gosh, I hope that there are more of these coming. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me and decorating these two pages. I'm excited that I've got this decorated out through Wednesday. I've got a really busy week ahead, a really, really, really busy weekend next weekend. So let's see if I can get ahead in the next couple of days. Otherwise, I'll have to play catch up. I hope you're having a wonderful week. Happy planning.